Human factors is an area of research that includes human performance, human technology interactions, human design interactions in the habitable volume, and human-computer interactions in a task-oriented environment. Welcome to the special video log about human factors. We have 5 human factor studies, the main 4 being conducted here at FMARS, and the 5th one is actually a look at how to manage and coordinate these activities, and that will be the 5th study that I'm preparing a paper for the International Astronautical Congress in India this year. So let's take a look at those studies. The first study looks at communications using different forms of technology. The second part looks at exercise and performance. Here the crew is preparing their polar watches for exercise. The program includes using an exercise bike, lifting weights, and stretching to increase our flexibility. The second and third study look at group dynamics and cognitive performance, looking at the international aspects of the crew, and by using performance software validated by NASA called WinSCAT, which, for example, tests your mathematical accuracy and response time. The fourth study that the crew is conducting is a sleep study. First, the documents need to be reviewed, and then the equipment checked, followed by testing of the equipment. The life shirt is donned, the software is booted up, the sleep diary is filled out, then it's one small yawn for a man, one sleep study for mankind, and sleep, and sleep, and sleep. Although sometimes running the human factors you sort of have to nag to get everyone to do their chores, so to speak, everything's been working out well and the crew's been very cooperative. And there's been a lot of insight that we've been able to take from this on how to deal with performance and deal with stressful situations in our behavior. For instance, for stress, that has a whole bunch of questions that relate to how we cope with stress, and there's good examples on how we can better cope with it if we're having difficulties. The exercise program's been great. Everyone's been exercising 3 times a week or more. So that's going to help us in the long run when we're going to need that strength, especially turning the corner in the later months. We're getting through all these challenges one step at a time. And it's just another part, another chapter to the story that is FMARS 2007, the Foxy LDM crew.
Booyakasha!